CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.5. Given a scenario, install and configure motherboards, central processing units, and add-on cards. Motherboard Compatibility. CPU socket compatibility is an important factor when selecting a motherboard, particularly in desktop computing where performance and functionality requirements vary wildly. At the forefront of the CPU market are Intel and AMD, each offering their distinct lineup of processors tailored to various computing needs. Motherboards are intricately designed to cater to the specific requirements of these processors, whether from Intel or AMD. Therefore, an Intel CPU cannot be installed in a motherboard intended for an AMD CPU, and vice versa. This is primarily due to the different CPU socket types they use. Intel processors typically use an LGA-type socket, which is short for land grid array. In this configuration, the CPU's underside is devoid of pins, featuring instead a flat surface with an array of contact points or pads. This corresponds to the motherboard socket, which contains tiny holes where metal contacts reside. When installed, these contacts align precisely with the pads on the CPU, creating a direct and secure connection. This design facilitates easy installation and removal of the CPU, reducing the risk of damage during handling. Conversely, AMD processors commonly utilize PGA, or pin grid array sockets. In this configuration, the CPU itself contains a grid of pins that align with corresponding holes on the motherboard socket, creating a grid-like pattern for connection. When the CPU is installed, these pins penetrate into the motherboard's holes, establishing electrical contact with the circuitry beneath. This arrangement ensures a secure and stable connection between the CPU and the motherboard, facilitating efficient communication and data transfer. Transitioning to server environments, multi-socket motherboards become essential to meet the demands of intensive workloads and multitasking. Unlike single-socket motherboards prevalent in desktop computing, server environments require increased processing power and scalability. Multi-socket motherboards, capable of accommodating multiple CPUs, are engineered to support the installation and operation of two or more processors simultaneously. Whether they are equipped with LGA or PGA sockets, server motherboards are meticulously designed to deliver enhanced processing capabilities and unparalleled reliability, making them indispensable in enterprise settings and data centers. Mobile devices, in stark contrast to their desktop and server counterparts, operate on a distinct architecture, commonly incorporating ARM-based CPUs. These processors are renowned for striking a delicate balance between performance and energy efficiency, making them particularly well-suited for the demands of mobile computing. Engineered to deliver robust processing capabilities while consuming minimal power, ARM-based CPUs are encapsulated within a compact footprint. This compactness is paramount in the design of mobile devices, where space constraints and portability are critical considerations. Consequently, ARM-based CPUs have become the cornerstone of mobile computing, enabling devices like smartphones and tablets to deliver optimal performance while prolonging battery life, thereby enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.